Hi, I'm Charlie Estes. I'd like to introduce On-Demand Fulfillment, a successful sister company of Vox Nutrition. We're here to transform the way you order private label products. In just 1 minute, we'll demonstrate how we simplify your business and boost your profits. At On-Demand Fulfillment, we understand the challenges that come with maintaining a large inventory, leasing expensive warehouse space, and managing employee overhead. By partnering with On-Demand Fulfillment, you can say goodbye to those risks and expenses. With these concerns lifted, you can redirect your financial resources to what truly matters, marketing. With increased financial backing, you'll propel your brand forward. Our streamlined system ensures that your private label products are developed by your customers on demand effortlessly. We handle everything from warehousing to inventory management and order fulfillment, allowing you to concentrate and expand your business. Why wait any longer? Say goodbye to inventory headaches and embrace a brighter future for your business. With on-demand fulfillment, ordering private label products has never been easier. Sit back and watch your business flourish. Vox Nutrition and on-demand fulfillment empower your business to reach its full potential. Your success is our top priority.